now it lingers behind the cottage door. A dark nostalgic longing echoes out across the moor, where the lambs at the start of summer bleat lonesome on the hill. The smell of peat fires burning, drifting on the wind. Well, the old folks had their tales to tell, I can hear their voices still. Soft Gaelic lilt a lullaby, reminiscing by the fire. And she fumbles with the old teapot as the kettle begins to whistle as it boils. Well, the kitchen standing empty, and that old haggis turned to rust. A once proud Highland welcome sleeps forever in the dust. Faded dreams of childhood I try so hard to save, as the old folks they left one by one to sleep in their barren graves. Well, the flies now lie upon their backs beneath the faded yellow drapes, as the first warmth of a summer sun through the window now it creeps. And the spiders in their empty shells hang suspended in their webs, in forgotten corners of forever, where the sun will never reach. Well, this ancient land still keeps her secrets long after we're gone. A flitting glimpse of a Highland heritage eroding now in stone. And the lambs at the start of summer will bleat lonesome on the hill, and the smell of peat fires burning will drift out across the wind. Yes, I grew up in this old world, and for that I'm awfully proud. For those ghosts still wander in the back of my mind, and they're still calling to me now. I grew up in the old world, and for that I'm awfully proud. For those ghosts still wander in the back of my mind, and they're calling to me now.
Ik sa han ikke svogne harpe på vangene
An balag an buachir osnig thraif hio an loche an rohig lia. Bí mise a rialag a gheawdi ha tríomh de hínsean do stársneach. A géirí orst drama san an gléachgus a háirsteachad.